Next is my rotational and irrotational flow. So what is my rotational and irrotational flow? Suppose my fluid is moving along a streamline. So if the fluid particle is not rotating about its own axis, then it is called my irrotational flow. Whereas in case of my fluid particles is moving as well as it is rotating about its own axis, then it is called my rotational flow. I'll give you a simple example of the rotational and irrotational flow. Suppose I am drawing this figure. This is my particle number A. Okay, and this is my particle number B. So what is the difference in between these two pictures? So in case of my particle A, it is moving in the direction of the flow. My particle is moving in the direction of the flow, but it is not rotating about its own axis. Whereas in case of my particle B, it is also moving in the direction of the flow, but it is also rotating about its own axis. So first one is my example of the irrotational flow, and second example is my rotational flow. Okay. So in case of my rotational flow, where the fluid particles is moving and also rotate about its own axis. Whereas in case of my irrotational flow, the fluid particle is also moving, but it is not rotating about its own axis. So in case of rotational flow, the particle rotating about its own axis, where in case of irrotational flow, particle is not rotate about its own axis. So this is the difference in between the rotational and irrotational flow.